I'm sure you would have seen underneath every sink around the house there's funny shaped pipes, and one of them is a P-trap. Now the P-trap's been with us for around about 250 years. It was originally designed by a fellow called Alexander Cumming, and it was originally the S-trap, and that was way back in 1775. About 100 years later, the design was improved on by a fellow called Thomas Crapper, and he called it the U-curve, and now we know it as the P-trap. Now, it wasn't designed to trap P. It's called that because of the P shape that it makes when it's inverted. So what the U-shaped pipe does is it stops gases coming from the sewer, from outside, and water inside here prevents them from going up into the sink and going out into your kitchen. Now, another side benefit of the trap is that if you lose something, some jewelry or anything that goes down the pipe, it'll get trapped in here. Now, I'll just take this apart to show you how that's done, and it's quite easy. Just get yourself a bucket and place it under the pipe, because of course there'll be water in there. And believe it or not, these should only be hand tight, not tightened with some tool. So they should be quite easy to turn. You see, you just need one hand. Just empty the water into the bucket. There you go, just give that a rinse. Nothing in there. You don't have to rinse it, but since you already got it out, I say why not. Line these two back up. And that's all you have to do. I hope I'm not getting in the way. It is too easy to do this. There you go. And like I said, hand tight. And you're finished. Throw away your dirty water. I hope that was helpful. If you want to see something else related to plumbing, then if you click on the link up here, I will show you how to change the perished seal in your toilet. Your toilet system might be leaking, and it could be just a perished seal. I've got a really great step-by-step tutorial explaining how to remove and change your cistern. To all my viewers, I want to give a big heartfelt thank you. Appreciate all the time you spend with me. It's wonderful. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.